Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hey, good morning. I'm Ann.
And I'm Kevin.
And this is Lautar Life. We are on our way to, what's that? A camping trip. I'm so excited. My favorite part of Christmas is going on a camping trip to Disney. And we are going to, well, they texted us and said that we're in the 500 loop, but we're going to try to see if we can get into another loop, the 1100 loop, because we like to be closer to the cabin pool. So we'll see if we can do that. But we are all packed, ready for a fantastic 3 nights here at Fort Wilderness. So we will show you exactly where we're able to pull in and park and show you the site and all the amenities. And we will take you up later to go see the pool. We're going to be on our bikes this time. We left the golf cart at home, which is fine. And we need to get some new batteries for it and that kind of thing. But we're going to come in February as well as May. So we're going to make sure that golf cart is up and ready to go. So we have a couple more camping trips planned. But we are ready to go. We're going to ride our bikes. We'll show you around. We'll also take you guys with us to go looking at the lights. One of the most phenomenal things here at Fort Wilderness is everybody decorates their campsite with gorgeous Christmas lights. So we are going to ride around. We'll show you. God bless you, honey. We'll show you the lights that we get to go see. And show you all the fun that we're going to get into, because this week also, the next day, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, we're going to go over and see the Grand Floridian and the Polynesian. There's one other hotel, right? Grand Floridian, Polynesian, there's one more, right? There's one more. The Contemporary, yes, and the Contemporary, and they do gingerbread houses. Oh, you walk into the building, into the hotel, and you are just wafted in the face with delicious gingerbread. So we'll take you around to see those gingerbread houses, because you are gonna love them. Every year I get so excited to go see them because they are beautiful. The details that they put on these houses are just gorgeous. So you're gonna love it. So we're gonna go do that, and we'll see what other fun that we can get into. Right, honey?
Right.
We will see you soon. We are now arriving here at the fort. It is 3:15 and 76 lovely degrees here in Orlando, Florida. Fort Wilderness Resort Campgrounds. All right, they texted us back, and we have site 1303. So that is one of our favorite loops, and I'm so excited they were able to accommodate us. We're going to check in here at the station, and then we can go straight to our site. All right, that was super easy. We gave them our last name, told them our site number, and we are off to our site. So we can skip the big check-in process at the reception outpost, and we can go straight to our site because we did the pre-check-in online. And if you have not done that yet, you need to try that. That was super easy. We just pushed the check-in, filled out our information, and on our way here today, it sent us our site number. Straight in front of us is the Fort Wilderness Transportation Depot, and right behind there is the horses. That's one of our favorite spots to go hang out and visit with the horses a little bit. But this Fort Wilderness Transportation area right here that you're looking at, where the buses are coming in, will take you all around. You can go to Magic Kingdom, Epcot. You can go to all 4 of the what am I trying to say? The parks.
All 4 of the major parks and all of the hotels.
Yep. And so, and downtown Disney and the water parks. So it takes you to all of those areas. seeing all the decorations at the sites. Tonight is going to be fun.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to get my bike ready for tonight.
We have site 1303, which is right across from the bathhouses, which is awesome. All right, this is site 1303. One of the best things about it is right across from the bathhouse. It has the larger pavement that you have extra concrete pad area. We have the nice picnic tables, and this is really has a lot of foliage and trees, you know, so we're not around everybody. Oh, wait 1 second, I gotta straighten it out to the right some. A lot of people are pulling it. It was checkout time. It's check-in time. You're like this. Okay, perfect. He's really good at backing in. You're perfect! All right, so we arrived. There was a whole lot of traffic, so it took us a while to get here, which is okay. It's understandable. It's the day after Christmas, but we are here at Disney. We're on our site, so thanks so much. We will see you soon. All right, this is one of our favorite things to do is go looping. But we normally have the golf cart, and we did not bring it this time because it needs new batteries. So now we're trying to decide what we want to do, whether we want to buy an electric scooter or bike. We want to replace the golf cart. And I'm really thinking the electric bike is probably the way to go as well. 2 of them. So that
There
we
you
can...
go. That's nice.
Yay, that's so fun.
Wow. Cinderella's.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a
Her
big.
carriage. Cinderella's castle. We came one year and they had this most beautiful castle, you know, one of the campers had made on their site. And let me show you this side. Oh my goodness. All right, good morning. I'm Ann.
I'm Kevin.
And we are from LautarLife. We're out here at the fort. We are walking, doing our 3-mile walk here at the fort, enjoying a lot of the decorations that they still have out and ready to go. So here we go. Here's some more awesome decorations up here on the left. I love the camper. It's so cute.
Hey, autumn hammock.
I know.
See?
Autumn loves the hammock. That's what she wanted for Christmas. Right here, we have Mickey and the camper.
How much is it?
Aren't these so cute? Super cute. I love it. Hi, Santa. All right, we're gonna keep walking. This is the playground at the 1300 loop. It is all fenced in, so if you want to bring the kids out here, it has a basketball hoop and a volleyball, whole beach scene with all the sand and everything. Volleyball set. All right, we're coming up on the Meadows Trading Post right here on the right. It has a lot of it has some frozen food items, canned food items, things that you may have left at home and forgotten. And then over here, you look straight back there, you walk over that little bridge, that is the big pool at the fort. But we'll walk around there hopefully. See, they have parking, and it's decorated so beautiful for Christmas. All the bus stops are decorated very beautifully. That's the 900 and 1000 loop. Beautiful. Meadows Trading Post. Look at that. Look at that trailer. Pop-up trailer. Lampoons. Oh, can we break out? Oh, there we go. Isn't that cute? Oh, so cute. Santa and his reindeer. What? Do you hear the horns? That's from the boat coming in down here. Oh, I love that sound.
Because that's part of the lighting experience, you know?
All right, so this is down by the settlement. This corner camper has made these beautiful scene with Minnie and Mickey and this great big Mickey caroling. And right in front of us is the settlement. That's where you catch the boat to go over to Magic Kingdom. They have a restaurant down there and a playground down there. And that's where the water is. But here is the display. Isn't this gorgeous? Love it. Look at the Mickey caroling. Love that one. Oh, and the snow globe is really cool. My husband likes this one. Kevin likes the car. Run Disney. We run Disney. Oh, I like that one. They have a sign. Look. Fort Wilderness. There we go. Awesome. Beautiful. I mean, look, they went all the way around, and at night on the golf cart, it is so fun to see. They do such a great job. Look at that. And then we have Santa. This is the 500 loop. And they are sporting their Mickey stuff too, their Mickey blow-ups. The buses are going this morning. That's what you're hearing, Mickey bus.
That's where we were going to be right there.
Yep. And then over here.
A loud bus stop.
Yeah, I'm glad we moved. And over here they have a beautiful dog park. They have a playground for the kids that are all fenced in. And then the dog park, they split it between small dogs and large dogs. They just built the second one recently. But the dogs love it. Can you see a little closer as we walk by?
Oh, something smells good.
Oh, I really wish that you guys could see. Go to the right, Autumn. Oh, never mind. I thought somebody was...
Pace, 21 minutes, 33 seconds.
It's my watch, and I thought it was the Autumn. But there's the dog park. Hear the birds chirping. It's called Wagon Trails Dog Park. Pluto is their little mascot. We're still walking, and we're gonna come up on the main pool. But this is, you know, you're in between the settlement and the main pool, and it just, you have a lot of nature. There's a little bridge over the pond. Beautiful. And a lot of times you'll see the deers up here. They hide out up here, especially at nighttime. Autumn and I are out here walking, getting our exercise. Kevin's in front of us. We are doing great. All right, this is called the Meadows Recreation Area. This has a bridge that goes over to the main pool. Has the tennis courts and a volleyball net, playground for the kids, and the main pool with the slide. Very, very pretty. I love it here. It's so relaxing. Right now it's super quiet, which is really nice. And the 1500 loop, which is a pop-up tent loop, is right across from it. And then just a little bit further is a 1600 loop. Beautiful. Right here is our favorite loop. It's a 1700 loop. It has a bus stop right here. In fact, all the loops have a bus stop in the front, but that is our favorite loop. Back there's a 16, 17, 18, and 1900 loops. All right, we're back at the site and we're gonna make some fresh bacon. And we got our bacon from Butcher Blocks and we're gonna let you know. This is a little review. We've never had it before, so we're gonna let you know how that is. All right, this is what's for breakfast. We're gonna try this Butcher Block. I'll put it in the link below, but we've never had it before. And I hear it is super yummy, so we'll see. Let's try it out. So Autumn's making her eggs and we're scrambling them, but look how orange those yolks are compared to a normal egg. She really likes those eggs. What kind of eggs are they, Autumn?
Pasteurized.
They're pasteurized eggs, so it's gonna be yummy.
You can show the container.
I did. I showed y'all.
Or
Yeah. Autumn loves to cook. So I'm going to show you my husband's eggs, which are regular Walmart eggs, and I'll show you the difference. So that's the difference. It is much lighter. The yolk is much lighter compared to the pasteurized eggs. Autumn says that the taste is so much better. Okay, so we're up here at Pioneer Hall and we're headed over to ride the boats over to go see the Grand Floridian and all the gingerbread houses. So make sure that you're joining us. Stay with us. Today's the food truck roundup. Today they have toasted, crafted grilled cheese and burgers. Something called Apps food truck.
Walk this way.
No, I'm walking. There's quesadillas. It looks good.
Oh, that's nice, actually. That's
Something
nice.
different, right?
Yeah, so you don't have to go to the Trails Inn, and that's your only option.
So that's really good. All right, we're sitting here on the deck here at Fort Wilderness, out on the dock, waiting for the big old boat to come get us so that we can go over. I guess we're gonna have to go to Magic Kingdom and then take a bus.
No, monorail.
Do you think? Oh, okay. So Magic Kingdom to the monorail. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, yes, that sounds good. So then we're gonna go over to the Grand Floridian, and that's where they have the great big gingerbread house. So I wish that YouTube had smell-o-vision, because that is gonna be one place that you guys would want to enjoy. All right, so we'll see you soon. All right, the boat is in sight. It should be here in just a couple minutes to get us.
board, please continue moving across your car to make room for everyone. Please offer available seating to those needing special assistance. Right is Disney created Seven Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. You're traveling to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Inside the Great Ceremonial House, you'll find shopping and dining with a Southeast flavor. This is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Please watch your head and step as you exit and take small children by the hand. Thank you. If there are guests waiting to board, please move across your car to make We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club.
Okay, we're here at the Grand Floridian. This is the balcony looking over. All right, let's go see the gingerbread house.
No. Alright, Tony. We're approaching the Polynesian. All right, this is the dock for the Polynesian. Very pretty. We're gonna go get some pineapple Dole Whip. We are ready for our Dole. Yum.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
We are here at Disney Springs. It's an absolutely beautiful day. It's supposed to be 80 degrees. And we're going to take a look at some of the decorations here at Disney Springs. And then we're going to go to the store that Autumn likes to go to that sells, it's a bakery that Autumn likes. It sells gluten-free items for her. And she said she wants to buy 5 things. So we'll show you what she gets. This is beautiful. Decorations are gorgeous. Holiday music is playing. It gets you in the holiday spirit for sure. Woo. Here, Bradley, Sperry, everything but water. Awesome. American Threads Fit to Run. Yeah. Oh boy, look at this tree. I wonder how tall that tree is. 20 foot? Whoa. You think it's 20 foot? Wow. All right, what on him? What'd you say? Here is your bakery shop, and Daddy found it.
12 minutes.
All right, let's just show you the menu here. We have 12 minutes that we gotta wait. They have donut, cupcakes, brownie, vanilla blondies, toasty, seasonal flavors. And it is always vegan, always gluten-free, and always delicious. Yum. All right, Autumn, you can start looking to see what you want to pick.
Ice cream.
Autumn wants ice cream. What else, Autumn? A donut. Oh my.
Alright.
What can I help you guys with today? Two brownie bites. And what else for you? A donut. Which one? We have vanilla dip, gingerbread, Samoa, double chocolate, cinnamon sugar. Brownie, red velvet. And what else for you? A cookie. Chocolate chip cookies. Just one.
You can have two.
Come on, just one. Two. Two? And then what else would you like? What else did I say? Cinnamon roll. And a cinnamon roll?
Definitely cinnamon roll.
And what else?
What's in the...
Autumn, did that make you happy?
Yes.
How many things did you get?
5.
5. And you got some things that you got 2 of, right?
Yeah.
And you picked the brownies,
Man, don't eat all
the
that.
donuts. What else did you get? The brownies, donuts,
The bacon
cookies, and then you got like the dump sink,
Yeah.
which is a container that has a bunch of gluten-free items in it. So she's excited. Neat. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so this week we came up without a golf cart because our batteries, we needed new batteries. So my hubby got us one. He was able to get us one. It's so hard to get the golf carts here at the fort because it's packed out here. So anyway, he went up and he waited and he was able to get us a golf cart. Now we're going to go looping tonight. So that is a lot of fun. We've already been up to Disney Springs, got Autumn some treats. She absolutely loved that. And now we get to go looping. Out here looping, and what do we see? Tomater.
Yeah,
Their campsite is totally decked out.
Yeah, it's an amazing campsite.
All right, ending the night. Well, not ending the night. After dinner, we're going to play some cards, and it's getting dark outside. And we're going to go out and go looping. Right, Autumn? Out in the golf cart, which is going loop to loop here at Fort Wilderness to see all the Christmas lights. I want to point out these cups because these are all popcorn cups that you get filled over at Magic Kingdom every year, and they turn them into a row of lights. That is really cool. That was really well thought out.
It's probably the most creative we've seen in a long time. That's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
didn't see that before. That's awesome, Autumn.
This definitely is the must-see loop. Puppy!
Yeah. 15-foot Santas. Mickey. There's too much crammed into here.
This is like the road to come down. Oh, Minnie and Mickey in the chimney. Jiminy Cricket. Mickey and Minnie in Florida. Olaf. Old Saint Nick. Baby Jesus.
Our last year, we was only like 3 or 4.
There wasn't many, yeah.
Entire place. It wasn't like this though. That was proud. Oh, did you see that?
I did.
Wow, that's cool. See?
Scooters.
Good for you guys. Trick.
Toasted, what is that? Grilled cheese and burgers?
Yeah.
And you have the carousels, which has soft serve gelati and ice cream cones, but it also does ice flavors, which are gluten-free. What else, Autumn? Milk-free, right? And then over here to App's food truck, which is very popular. There's a lot of people over there. And then Smack, which is macaroni and cheese. And then the pizza truck.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are
Beauty mess. All right, good morning. I'm Ann,
I'm Kevin.
and we are from Lautarlife. Unfortunately, today is our last day here at We're Wilderness. We are packing up. We're taking our last looping ride around the fort, and then we're going to pack up and head off home, and then do all those normal camping chores, cleaning up, you know, washing the clothes, cleaning out the camper to make sure that it's ready for the next time. We come back in February, I believe, and then May again. So this time we stayed in the 1300 loop, which is really, this is a very good loop. 1100 I think has changed. That's our favorite loop. We like 1105. 1103. That's our favorite spot. That's a really good spot right on the corner where it gives you extra space on the corner. But everybody is getting ready for New Year's here. All the decorations are still out, all the Christmas decorations. Let me show you. They're still out. They've packed up. They had like a huge display, but these guys are still out.
Everybody's getting ready to go somewhere else for New Year's.
or back home, one or the other.
And then
but-
there's another crowd that comes in for New Year's.
Yeah, it seems like a different crowd.
A
but
much different crowd.
we will see. But we're headed home, so we're just going to do this last looping, and we're going to pack up the camper. But that's okay.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Yeah.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon. Thanks, guys.
Hello. How are you? Hello, little friend. What's he doing?
Another one.
Don't move quick, Autumn. Don't move. There's one behind you. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, my goodness. That is so cool. Hi, babies. Do you like Disney World? See you later. Bye, alligator. See you later. All right, now we are headed out. We are all packed and ready to go. The camper is right behind us, and we are headed out, and we will be back very, very soon.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Hold up, I am on my way. let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.